Today was a perfect day for a delicious pineapple halwa. This crowd pleaser takes just 4 ingredients and under 10 minutes to make. And there is no baking involved. It's on stovetop. Let's start with a simple list of ingredients for a successful pineapple halwa. The first is 2 cups of semolina. It's cream of wheat, 2 cups of custard sugar, a cup of clarified butter or ghee, and if you don't have it, you can use 2 sticks of butter, and a couple of aromatics, a few cloves and a few cardamoms. If you do not have them, you can use any other aromatics. I just like to use them. And half of a ripe pineapple. So the first step is I'm going to start by roasting nicely my semolina. To help the roasting process, I'm going to put a tablespoon of ghee. Keep the heat in the medium. While my semolina is roasting away nicely, I'm going to prep my other simple ingredients, starting with chopping a ripe pineapple. I'm going to get rid of the rind in the middle of the pineapple. Wow, the aroma of pineapple is wonderful. My semolina is roasted wonderfully and a beautiful aroma is coming out of it. It's time for me to transfer it to a platter. So my pineapple is finely chopped. I already roasted my semolina very well. So the next step is I'm going to just drop the finely chopped pineapples in my frying pan. Just give it a little bit of ghee to help it along. My pineapple is a little bit cooked. It's about 3 minutes. And then now it's time for me to put 4 cups of water. So for 2 cups of semolina, I'm putting 4 cups of water. And then I'm putting 2 cups of caster sugar. So the measurement is, the ratio is very easy. 2 cups of semolina, 2 cups of sugar, 4 cups of water, and half of a pineapple. So let's put it here. I'm going to increase the heat a little bit. And while that is cooking, let me prepare my aromatics. Take a little water. Pound it lightly. You don't want to make it into a powder. And then there are 5 cardamom pods in here. If you don't prefer the smell of cardamom or cloves, you can use vanilla, you can use cinnamon. Pineapple is already very strong in its flavor and aroma, so anything to complement that would do. So I'm going to keep this ready here and we'll add it towards the end. My pineapple, sugar and water syrup has come to a boiling point. It's time for me to drop the roasted semolina into it. It's important to stir it constantly to avoid the lumps being formed, and that's the only technical aspect of this very simple dessert. You can see the semolina is becoming slightly thicker as it cooks through, and now it's time for me to add the last and the final ingredient, which is ghee. I have 1 cup of clarified butter or ghee, and as I said, you can use 2 sticks of butter as well. I'm going to save a little bit towards the end, but it's time for me to put the cardamom and the powder of the cloves in. Semolina is getting set. It's time to put the last bit of ghee that I had saved. my halwa is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat, close the lid and wait for 10 minutes for it to cool down, and then I can transfer it to a mold and it's ready to serve. Wow! My halwa is ready to go into the halwa mold. I'm going to transfer it. Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to pack it tight. Different cultures in the world have claimed credit for the creation of halwa. Indians feel they made it. Middle Eastern countries say they made it. Greeks say halwa is their creation. But no matter who makes halwa and no matter what parts of the world halwa is made, it is world famous dessert, so easy and so versatile and so loved all over the world. I'm going to pat it tight, and it doesn't have a baking involved. It doesn't even need an oven. You can do it on your stovetop and it comes out well every time. You don't have to use pineapple. If you don't like it, you can use other fruits, like for example mangoes or even bananas. So go crazy, use your imagination. Let's cut it. Wow! Like a perfect end to a perfect Sunday. Can't get better than this.